Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Everything looked normal until Disney Plus suddenly refused to let me log in, showing error code 7. I kept trying to sign in, but error code 7 wouldn't go away. At first, it felt like a random glitch, but after a few failed attempts, I realized something wasn't right. If you are facing the same issue, here is how I tracked it down and fixed it. 1. The first mistake, login details. The first thing I thought was maybe it's just me. So I checked my login credentials again, and this is where most people go wrong. A small typo in the email, a password with the wrong case, or just forgetting the exact credentials. Even one small mistake can trigger error code 7, so I re-entered everything carefully, and if you are unsure, resetting your password is the fastest fix. 2. The possibility I didn't consider, server issues. After fixing my details, I expected it to work, but it didn't. That's when I realized, what if the problem isn't on my side? So I checked if Disney Plus servers were down. For that, go to downdetector.com in your browser and search for Disney Plus to see if others are reporting issues. Visit the official Disney Plus help or status page to confirm if there are any ongoing outages. And this step is important because if the servers are down, no fix on your end will work. 3. The connection check that matters more than you think. Next, I looked at my internet connection because even if everything else is perfect, a weak or unstable connection can still block login. So I restarted my router, switched networks, ran a quick speed test by visiting speedtest.net. A stable connection makes all the difference. 4. The data problem, old cache. At this point, I thought I have tried everything. But then I remembered something, cache. Old or corrupted app data can quietly cause login failures. So I cleared it. Here is what I did. Open Chrome, go to the 3 dots menu, select delete browsing data, choose a time range like all time. Then check cookies and other site data, cached images and files, and click delete data. Once done, log back in and re-enter the information. 5. The version issue, app compatibility. Then I checked the app itself because outdated apps can cause unexpected errors. So I checked the App Store for updates and installed the latest updates for the Disney Plus app. And when that didn't fully help, I reinstalled it. This removes any broken files and resets everything. 6. Contact Disney Plus support. If nothing works, there is one final possibility. The issue might be on Disney Plus's site. So I went to their support, shared the error code, provided my account details, followed their instructions. Sometimes the fastest fix is just letting them handle it. So that's how I fixed Disney Plus error code 7. In the end, it wasn't one big issue, just a few small things adding up. Once I worked through them, everything started working perfectly again. And if you found this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more such fixes. Feel free to share your own tips in the comments too. It might help someone else facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.